It is August 6, 2019. This is the 37th drawing of the Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series. We have it's a memorial portrait to, I believe it was 21-year-old student Riley Howell, an American student at the University of North Carolina at Charlotte, who was murdered in a terrorist attack on April 30th, 2019, and he is being attacked metaphorically here by Christian evangelical gun sea monsters, gun rights sea monsters. Every mass shooting in the United States is a terrorist attack, although thanks to the political sway of the NRA, only, with few exceptions, only Islamic extremist perpetrated attacks are called terrorism by the media, by police chiefs, by the FBI, by mayors, governors, county executives, and so on. A rare exception would be the attack in El Paso, Texas this past weekend, where the young assailant is being charged with leading a hate crime due to his evidently material pertaining to his beliefs following that of President Trump and Vice President Pence and Republicans in Congress and so on, of attacking Mexicans and Central Americans, Hispanics, as vermin, as subhuman, as parasites and so on. Not dissimilar to what the Nazis did in the 1930s and on to the years of the Third Reich beginning in 1933, which led to their murder of 10 million people, 6 million Jewish Europeans, over 1 million Catholic Polish people, over 1 million Russian POWs, hundreds of thousands of Romani and Sinti peoples, and several hundred thousand mentally and physically disabled Austrians and Germans in the Action T4, which paved the way for the final solution that followed. Anyway, we have a long way to go. Hopefully Democrat supporting voters who are pro-life and anti-terrorism, which is a natural melding there, will take control of the U.S. Senate and re-win the White House and get the terrorism sponsoring and promoting Republicans out of office. All right, there you have it. Again, it is August 6, 2019, in memory of Riley Howell, who is posthumously now considered not only a martyr, but a hero for trying to help save the lives of others who were under attack by the perpetrator assailant at the university there in Charlotte. All right.
I don't know how good your eyes are, but I had to take a picture of that